This bike right now that I'm borrowing gives me that nostalgic feel. It kind of changed my perspective of wanting to ride differently. Ooh, MG! Damn, it feels good. Woo! I am rain ready, except that I'm not wearing any boots. Even though that there's construction going on right now, but then man, it is super beautiful. There's no rain. Hello! Hello! We kept cycling all the way. Oh, goodbye to the old me. Hello to the new me. Oh, damn, it is so hot. Riding this bike makes you want to go ride adventure. Is it recording? Yeah, it is recording. So 2, 3. So a lot of you guys have been wondering, where the hell have I been? Why am I not putting up videos on YouTube? It is because I have sold my bike, but right now I am borrowing the Xpulse 200 4V from the founder of the company that I'm working with. I've been riding this bike for about 2 months or so now. I've only been riding this bike for commuting purposes. I never ride this bike for a joyride except for today with this kind of weather. It feels fresh, the gloomy weather, but I have to keep the bike as upright as I can in order to, you know, not let the bike slide me over. I didn't buckle my chin strap. Very dangerous. Those guys are playing football. There you go. With this GoPro, why the cable is here, I am charging the GoPro. I am not using any kind of battery because this GoPro's firmware is, I think, if I'm shooting it with just the batteries, it'll say that the GoPro doesn't have battery while the battery percentage is above 90%. I think it's some firmware issue. So this way, by connecting the charger only with no battery present in it, so just by getting the power from the charger, you know, you can operate the camera without the battery also while plugging in the charger.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So back to the part where I haven't been on YouTube for almost about 3 months. It is because, you know, you already know, as usual, work has always been my first priority, and riding is my hobby. Also motovlogging, connecting with you guys through videos, which you guys have shown me the love and support all those times. So I'm going to be back riding, like I'm going to own my own motorcycle again, but I don't think right now I have any motorcycle in thoughts in mind. In 2016, 2018, I used to own the Impulse, the Hero Impulse. I used to ride off-road sometimes, and I used to like riding adventure, but at that time I was so broke that I can't even afford to ride to Guwahati also. So, you know, riding this bike gives me that nostalgic feel. But this bike is more advanced than the Impulse, but this bike has certain limitations that I, you know, that isn't up to my yeah boy, yeah boy, yeah boy. What kind of behavior is this? What the hell, bro? Is that guy drunk, or is he just funny? You know, riding this bike for about 2 months now. Been commuting with it on my daily life, you know, going to work, going here and there with this bike. But it kind of changed my perspective of wanting to ride differently, like an adventure rider, you know, being able to go like for long rides, 1,000 kilometers and stuff. And I'm loving the weather, and it also is dangerous riding like this with my worn out tire treads. So I'm fueling up from here. Here we go. If it rains, then my motovlogging is khatam. If it doesn't rain, it's going to be amazing. And this guy, I don't know, he's rushing to Sora, I think. With this weather being like this, he cannot wait to reach Sora. That's why he's honking like crazy. Okay, let's go. Ooh, the misty fog. This kind of weather is what it's all about, man. Riding. Ooh. And it is raining, it is raining, it is raining. It sucks to say that I have to pause my motovlogging for a bit because I have no battery door, so it's fully exposed, and if it rains a lot the GoPro might get damaged. Damn! Ooh! The nature at its peak. I really feel like going to Ladakh, man, right now. I feel equipped to go to Ladakh, except that I don't have money. Money comes and goes, but your trip will always stay as memory. So go to the trip and make more money. When these cars are going at this pace, I'm really afraid to overtake. See this guy, no, he's waiting for an open opportunity to just slam the gear and accelerate his way out of it. Damn, like I said, oh this section is very dangerous. It's a landslide prone area. OMG, oh man. Remembering last year I went to Garo with my fellows Yamaha riders. It was very good. I like the company, I like the journey. It has like a very special memory, and you know, just riding on long rides is a different kind of happiness. So I am thinking that I'm going to buy a dual spot if possible, but I don't have the budget right now, because I am not looking to buy a bike that is below 200. I am trying to, you know, save up money to be able to afford a bike which is higher in power, because I am planning to ride for long rides. Because next year, if everything goes well, I am planning to go to Nepal, be it with my friend or whoever. Let's see, let's arrange. Solo to I don't know, because I haven't been riding beyond Meghalaya or beyond Assam, and I just wanted to be able to ride long rides. My current inspiration right now is Adam Raymond, who has been my inspiration back when I was just a kid. He is from Australia, and he used to ride all around the globe. He has been to Nepal, he has been to India, to feel, you know, to feel motivated and inspired. You can check out the link in my description box. You can check out his videos from 4 years ago, 5 or 6 years or 8 years ago, whatever it is, I don't exactly remember. So Adam Raymond is my current inspiration. Adam Raymond is my inspiration, my all-time inspiration in terms of adventure riding. And also Anurag Salgaonkar, who is kind of inspiring me right now to come back to this vlog. God be with me, because the road looks slippery. Yeah, woo! Plus that the weather is like this, the tires won't get much chance of heating up because of the weather. So I might just have to be real careful. I'm trying to talk in English because I want to make it international, if you know what I'm saying. And I am currently amazed by the weather, because I haven't been riding for 3 months, and this is my first time riding. No, I came to Sunapur last month, and I enjoyed riding there also, but that was different. I was riding a different bike. I was riding the R15, and boy oh boy, it sure was fun riding the R15 as well. So let me tell you a little something about Anurag Salgaonkar. Anurag Salgaonkar is a Mumbai based motorcycle content creator. He does YouTube, he does really good at it, and he only vlogs about his day-to-day life on his motorcycle, hence motovlogging. He's really good at it, and he is the guy that I'm looking up to. He is the only legitimate guy that vlogs in English that is super good, and I am also trying to, you know, follow his footsteps, but I'm not sure, my English is not good. but at least you guys will understand what I'm saying. I used to speak in my native language. I have fewer audience, and most of them are news watching people, always criticize of riding bikes, which is why I don't want them to see my videos anymore. I want YouTube algorithm to divert me from the freaking algorithm that has been, you know, giving me to people. It's giving me to the audience who are watching news. Most of them, they just have criticism. They don't have any other thing. They don't even know what motovlog is. They only know negative comments. I want to have like a correct audience. I don't want to be talking about bikes and yap and them not understanding a word that I'm saying, and at the end of the day they'll end up, you know, hate commenting on me, which is not good. I just want to be able to share my riding experience with you guys. That's it. Period. So I'm on top gear. I'm accelerating in a cruising acceleration. Damn, it feels good. Woo! Stress free. Even though it's raining, even though the rain is stressing me out, but man, I am surely feeling stress free right now. Hey, he must have seen me. He must have seen me from the side view mirror. I am rain ready, except that I am not wearing any boots. So I am currently here at somewhere in Queen, just past Umran, and it's raining here. It's drizzling. Oh, did you see that? That was a close freaking call. Back then when I was riding the MT-15, you know, all about the ride is the adrenaline, you know, pushing and pushing and pushing. I never noticed how beautiful the surrounding is. I never really noticed. Look how beautiful it is. All, even though that there's construction going on right now, but then man, it is super beautiful. OMG man, it's really fresh. Oh, look at the view. I can't do well when I think you're gonna leave me, but I know I'll try. Are you gonna leave me now? Bet you be believing now. Oh, I'm gonna stop in Mountain. I'm reaching Mountain anyway, so the weather here is kind of perfect. See, there's no water, there's no rain at all. You can see the road is completely dry. The tarmac here is completely dry, and my oh my, people coming from Shillong side, they are really getting caught up in the rain.
Hate the rain? Yeah. How can anyone hate the rain?
Oh God, they trying to drown me in this hole. I cannot see. I need to. Goddamn.
Must suck so wet. I think I saw a cyclist. Oh damn, bro. Hello. Hello. Where are you from?
Russia.
You're from Russia. You came cycling all the way.
Huh?
You came cycling all the way.
No. I came from Bangladesh. I'm working there.
Oh, you work in Bangladesh. Okay. Where you heading now? Guwahati?
Yeah.
Okay. Ride safe. This is your mesmerizing Meghalaya. Damn, look at the hills. I am coming from the hills. So coming from the hills, it means I'm coming from Meghalaya and I'm going to Assam. I'm just going in Guwahati anyway. This isn't just a ride, this is a mission. So agents, I am on a mission to reach there in one piece, and I don't have to look sweaty, and I don't have to, you know, lose all of my energy, and I have to be energetic.
समझ रहे हो ना?
So I was thinking, if I couldn't afford to buy like a 300-400cc wala bike, I will I don't know, I think I might have to pick the Xpulse for now, which I can really afford. Like I said, it's the Xpulse Rally Edition, but I am not looking to buy anything expensive right now out of my own pocket, because I always buy stuff with my own money. Riding like this makes me really want to start riding adventure, makes me want to start riding to Nepal right away. I am seeking for adventure riding right now, and I don't think I'll be riding like how I used to ride before. So goodbye to the old me, hello to the new me. Like it or not, I am still cocktail rides. Oh damn, it is so hot. I have my rain jacket on, my rain pant on, my soaked socks. Damn, it's freaking hot. All of a sudden, noticeable temperature. And I am trying my level best to save up money to be able to buy a decent bike to go out traveling and riding and wandering. So wish me luck. I'll have to end the video here because I'm about to reach. So peace out, signing off Cocktail Rides. Once again, thank you all for the love and support that you guys have shown me. Even though I am telling you guys that I'm gonna change the way of riding, it might be within Meghalaya, it might be within Assam that I'll be going out riding. You know, riding this bike makes you want to go ride adventure, because this bike is built for that purpose.